Okay guys, so I'm back on the purchase menu. So let's go trucks. Go back, and this is the truck I'm gonna get. Just because it doesn't look the best right now. People are gonna hate me for saying that, but we're gonna upgrade it and make it look awesome. Okay, so first thing we're gonna go to customizing. Make the truck look better. So let's go front bumper. I think I'm gonna go with that one. The bed type. We can get that. The camper. I'm going with the tow truck style. I like it. Okay. And hood. I'm gonna remove it because I think it looks cool. Rear bumper. You can't even see it so close. Cage. Could do that. I think it kind of looks nice, but you know, leave it like that. Fenders. I like the green. Go with that. Well, no, I'm not keeping the green, but so roof lights. I kind of about the roof bar. I don't think that looks that good though. Okay, I'm gonna go with nothing on it. Nope. Should we have a horn on them? I think that looks cool. Kind of. Exhaust pipes. This is a big old tow truck. We're gonna have it. And actually, let's go back to one. Windshield protection. Definitely doing that. Jack inside it. Yep. Winch. I'm pretty sure we use one. Yeah, we'll have that. Probably gonna go with green. Gun rack in the back. Who cares? Pear pack. Okay, so back to front bumper. I'll go paint. You can buy glossy. You can go blue. I don't like this, but I don't know. I'll make sure it looks like a tow truck. I could do rusty actually. Right now we're just gonna go with matte gray like that. Actually, I did one. Okay, let's go wraps. Now we can make it rusty like that, which would definitely make it look nicer. Yeah, this is supposed to be like an old style truck. Okay, so try zoom through. We want like an old kind of style. I'm kind of looking like that. Okay, we'll make it. I want to make it brown, like rusted brown. Yeah. I want to make this look like an old tow truck. Actually, let's go to the this windshield protection. Just remove that. I don't feel it looks good on a tow truck. Okay. Now we're gonna do tires. I kind of like those ones, but I don't really know. I think the chains would look good, but I don't, since it looks like an old truck, you don't want those. You want those. Some pipe mods. So while it's loading, we are going to. Okay, there we go. So as you guys can see, this looks a lot different, and I have a lot of cars too, as you guys can see. And this is my Jeep right there. So we might drive that, but so now we're gonna go with upgrades because this thing is pretty slow. I want to make it a diesel, but that means I can't have a blower on it. But I'll just make a diesel anyways, because we need the smokestacks just work with the diesel. Okay, so we're just gonna max everything out. Diesel, definitely. Durability. E-brake. I think we might be able to do tracks. That might look good. I want to see it. Tracks on it. So yeah, we are doing it kind of silly, so I'm gonna stick with tracks. And I'm gonna look. It's gonna look kind of like someone's trying to replace it. So they replace the tracks on it. So I'm gonna go with the solid axle Pro on the front and rear of the vehicle. Now it's time to do some tuning. So we're gonna go so let's go rear and front. Okay, so just make sure they're maxed out. Okay, so the axle width might look a little good like that. Now, put it into like that. Damping, we're gonna go up to like 30,000. And shocks, number 2. Shock size, we're gonna go like 1.7. Yeah. We can do travel. We could raise it up. I'm gonna go with like travel 4.4. Yeah, rear 2. Maybe that's in the front too. That's gonna be done with that. One second now. I still hear the screeching. So let me fix that problem really quick, and I will be right back when it's done.